Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use SUMIFS formula in Excel. A SUMIFS formula specifies and adds those values which meet multiple criteria or conditions. Here we have data. In A column we have a name, region, and basically we find out sales by region. So here we use the formula. Double click here. We type equal sign and then type sum. You can also double click here. And now we need to select some range. And these are the sales value which we want to add according to multiple criteria. Now press F4 for absolute reference. Enter comma, space, var, press space bar, and now we need to criteria range word. Now press F4 for absolute reference, comma. Now we need to select the criteria and F2, comma. Now select criteria range 2. We select order. Now press F4 for absolute cell reference, comma. Now criteria 2, and we want to get the result for order greater than or equal to or greater than equal to 60. And now bracket close, press enter, and we get the result. So in each those orders are greater than 60 are added, so 10,000 plus 9,000. And now we use autofill. Then you see the plus sign, drag to the bottom and you get the result. For west, we have only one order greater than 60, so 7,000. For north, there is only one order greater than 60, 150, equal and greater than 60 and equal and greater than 50, 5,000. And for south, we have only one order, so you get the 4,000. So in this way you can get sales by region. This way you can use SUMIFS formula. So in this way you can use SUMIFS formula to calculate sales by region. So in this way we can use SUMIFS formula to calculate the values according to multiple criteria. In this way we can use SUMIFS formula to calculate the sum of values according to multiple criteria. Please like the channel and thanks for watching the video.